welcome back to Vlogging with Vic. Today, you guys, we will be making a chicken yak. Some of you might call it yaki mein. We just simply call it yak. And we will be using udon noodles, onion, chicken breast, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing today. I would truly appreciate it. So let's get into this chicken yak. Very simple, very easy. I went ahead and pre-cleaned my chicken with some salt and fresh lemon juice. So right now I'm just rinsing it off. Just making sure our chicken is nice and clean so we can start our cooking process. We're going to go ahead and cut up our chicken in some nice sizes, bite size, maybe a little bigger. Some might want them smaller, some might want them in strips. To each his own. I'm not a chef. I won't judge you, and I hope you don't judge me. Everyone has their own way of doing things. So let's cut up this chicken breast. All right, after we cut up this chicken breast, let's go ahead and get our bowl and let's start our seasoning process. We're going to use some onion powder. And I apologize, you guys. I was trying to grab another seasoning in a few seconds, and you guys might tumble just a tad. Oops, sorry. Add a little bit more onion powder or adobo. Not a lot, because we have that soy sauce. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of the minced garlic. And I will be sure to make sure I leave everything that I use down in the description below, just in case someone would like to try it. And let's introduce all these seasonings together to the chicken. So now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of oil. Instead of adding into the cast iron pan, I went ahead and oiled the chicken. That's just how I do it. It's don't make it right or wrong. You can add the oil to the pan. But my pan is already pre-seasoned with oil. And go ahead and turn my stove on to a medium heat. And I just want to make sure all the pieces is well oiled. And you guys, once we start browning this chicken, we're going to brown it for about 10 minutes. And then I am going to add a flour slough mixture to it, which is nothing but water and flour. After we cook this for about 10 minutes, and I just want to be able to make the gravy base, because that's what a yak is. It's not a soup base. It is more of a gravy base, and we want that thick texture. And I also went ahead and diced up my onions. So there is the water and flour mixture. And you guys know how to you do that. You add your water, your cold cup of water, and you add your flour. You blend it in well, and you go ahead and we're adding it into the chicken. And at this time, I really need to turn my heat down to a medium level versus the higher end of the medium setting, because I do not want this to scorch or cook too fast. And I think I just did. So I'm looking, and you can eyeball it to see if you would need more water. And for the amount of time I needed to cook, we just gonna add some more water and let that simmer. I had to let you guys see what it was looking like. Excuse me. So we just want to go ahead and get that all mixed in. I'm going to add some more water, like I said, because I want it to be a thick gravy, but not so thick where it's not tolerable or it's overwhelmingly thick. So we just went ahead and added some more water. And we're going to let that simmer for another 15-20 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and use that same oil. No, I used avocado oil. And we got our wok. And we're going to go ahead and heat up our avocado oil. I like the avocado oil because it's good for high heat cooking. And this is where we're going to go ahead and add our onions. Oh, I gave you guys a little sizzle whizzle. And we're going to go ahead and cook these onions almost translucent. And the onions is really the wow factor for yak. They're normally served raw when you buy the yak up here. But I didn't do mine that way. So I didn't want to make them too soft. And here comes my son. Hello. Next, we're going to add our low sodium soy sauce. Some people use the dark soy sauce with the mushroom. I just went ahead and got the low sodium. We're just going to just keep mixing it up. We don't want this to burn and cook too fast. Next, we went ahead and we're going to add our sesame oil. You have to be very careful with sesame oil. It can be very overwhelming. We're going to go ahead and now add our udon noodles. Some people like to cook theirs prior to. I don't, because I don't want them overcooked and they become mushy. So as we're doing this, we will be adding a little bit more soy sauce because you want to be able to color the noodles with the sauce. And you want to just keep mixing and mixing and mixing. You don't want nothing to burn, like I said. And you want to be careful because you don't want to break up your noodles into tiny pieces. So we're just going to take our time and we're just going to just keep stirring and stirring. And you guys, believe it or not, this is almost done. Chicken yak. So easy. So delicious. Now you hear me telling you guys we're going to go ahead and now we're going to start incorporating our chicken. Let's bring that chicken that we cooked already and let's add it to our noodles, onions, and soy sauce. And there it is. Some sugar. You want to break up some of that acidity of the soy sauce so it's not too bitter. So we went ahead and added some sugar. If you made it this far, I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Please do not forget to thumbs up this video and share me out if you can. We're going to sneak in some crushed red pepper oil. Just a little bit. I just wanted a little oomph to this. Just a little bit. Everybody don't like that spice. And believe it or not, this is all it is to it. Chicken Yok. Vicky's way. Nice and simple. So you guys, I wanted to add a little bit more sugar. So that was a total of 2 tablespoons of sugar. Trust me, it was not sweet. It was not sweet at all. I don't want nobody saying, oh my gosh, she added all that sugar, but it wasn't sweet. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell so you will be notified when I upload another video. Now remember, I do not proclaim to be a chef. I just like to dabble around in the kitchen a little bit. Remember, each day that you are blessed to see is the advantage of becoming a better version of yourself. Take advantage. Be the best you can be. Peace and blessings.